Hello friends, so today I'm planning to change air filter, and to do that first we need to take a fuel tank out. Okay, so to remove tank, first we need to remove the seat. Then there's gonna be one bolt here, two bolts here, and two screws here. So yeah, there is one here, another one should be here. Come on. Okay, yeah. Okay. You see this one, and and we need to take out side panels. Okay, so now we need to turn off valve. Wait, it's like this. Then this is a fuel line, we need to disconnect it. And from this side, let me show you. There is two hoses for air ventilation, we need to remove it too. Okay, so let's try. So now I need to remove this line. It is a fuel supply line. Maybe I will put some paper better here. Okay, let's try. So I still have some petrol here, and I could put it in some kind of bottle, but I think I maybe just turn on engine, and I hope it will use it. Through. All right, so it is empty, but I found some fuel leaking here. So I think, oh, I see. Look, the hose just cracked. So it's okay what I did it now, because it was on a limit. Let's take it out. See? Wow, okay. And this one is not even attached. Just okay. So I need to change all of those lines. So now we can remove bolts. This one is size 12. And these two are size 10. Okay. And now we have two screws, one here and one here. Okay, now we need to remove these air ventilation hoses. There are two of them. One and two. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay, now we should be able to remove this tank. If I did everything correctly. Unfortunately, I filled it up with the fuel just a couple days ago. So now it has 19 liters of petrol. Okay. And oh, that's it. Super. Let's put it somewhere here. Nice. Done. Okay, so this is a filter box, and now we need to unscrew all these bolts and we can access filter. So let's do that. Okay, now we need to remove this hose. 2 hoses. Up. And this one. Now. Ta-da! So there is the 2 filters. The main filter and its pre-filter. Let's check how it looks. Oh, this one actually looks okay. We're gonna leave it. And this one, well, it is. I know I need to change it. Okay, so basically that's it. You just put a new one here and do in reverse order. Okay, bye.